Hey, this is Dennis here with Initial Scent, and just got a deer down and broken down here in Utah. So I'm going to show you real quick how I'm going to pack it up in my pack, and I do have some help today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lid off, and then I'm going to take these load lifters out. I'm going to slip the bag over. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it in the pannier, and then I'm going to take this bag and sandwich over the top. So you take your buckles here on either side. Okay, and I am going to loosen these up just a little bit. And just fold it over. So I've got my load carrier in here. I'm going to undo these buckles on the sides. And so when I've got my load carrier, take this, put it right there in the center. Take this one, put it right there. So since I've got my load carrier, all I'm going to do with the load carrier is I'm going to buckle the middle buckles. And if you notice on these middle buckles, they don't have orange bar tacks like these on the sides. So the ones on the sides have orange bar tacks. The upper and the lower have orange bar tacks, and also on the bag they have orange bar tacks. So you know that orange goes to orange. So I'm going to buckle this down. That won't go anywhere, so my pannier is actually supporting the weight. I'm going to take these two top buckles as well, buckle them into the frame just like that. Okay, so I've got that. Now I've got the pannier securing the meat. Now I'm going to take my big bag that's got some gear in there, and I'm going to take, remember, orange goes to orange, so I'm going to take the bottoms right here, and then I'm going to take the tops over here, and that goes to that. Find the one over here, pull it out, grab this one, orange goes to orange. So now I'll fasten that down. Now my bag is also extra support for the meat in there. And then the last step is I'm going to take my lid and put it over the top, just like that. My other lid strap here, do the same thing, cinch those down. They also have rear tighteners there, and I'll cinch this down in front of these limbs. Now everything is cinched down, it's solid, it's ready to pack out.